Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to effectively manage project documentation within Asana. So, let's get started. First off, create a new project in Asana. Click on the plus icon on the top bar and select Project. Name your project and set the privacy settings as you see fit. The reason we do this is to ensure that all your project documents are housed under one roof, making it easier for you and your team to access and manage them. Now that we've done that, let's create sections within your project. Click on the Add Section button and name your sections according to the different types of documents that you have. For example, you could have sections named Meeting Minutes, Reports, or Proposals. This helps us because it allows us to categorize our documents, making it easier to locate specific documents when needed. Next up, it's time to add our documents. Within each section, click on the plus Add Task button. Name the task after your document and in the description field, add a brief summary of the document. Then attach the document using the Attachments button. The reason we do this is to ensure that every document is not only easily accessible, but also has a summary for quick reference. Now let's talk about an often overlooked but critical aspect: document version control. Asana allows you to manage different versions of the same document by simply attaching the new version to the existing task. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana keeps track of all versions attached to a task, so you can always go back and reference earlier versions if needed. Finally, let's not forget about the power of collaboration. You can assign tasks to team members, add comments, and even start conversations about a document right within Asana. This helps us because it fosters teamwork by facilitating discussions and feedback. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to managing your project documentation like a pro within Asana. Remember, the key is to keep your project organized, keep track of your document versions, and foster collaboration. Thanks for tuning in today, and keep managing those documents like a champ.